Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to dive into a topic that touches on relaxation and the joy of a restful night's sleep. As someone who values the art of unwinding and falling asleep peacefully, I want to share with you some tips and techniques for enjoying your sleep, especially when the soothing sound of rain is involved. If you've ever found rain to be a comforting backdrop to your sleep but struggle to drift off quickly, this video is for you. 1. The power of rain. Why it aids sleep. The sound of rain has a natural, calming effect that can make falling asleep easier. The gentle patter of raindrops acts as a white noise, masking other disruptive sounds and creating a serene environment conducive to relaxation. Understanding how rain affects our sleep can help you harness its benefits effectively. 2. Creating a relaxing sleep environment. To fully enjoy the peace of a rainy night, it's important to set up your sleep environment for optimal comfort. Here's how. 1. Comfortable bedding. Invest in high-quality pillows and a cozy mattress to ensure maximum comfort. 2. Ambient lighting. Use dim lighting or blackout curtains to create a restful atmosphere. 3. Temperature control. Maintain a cool, comfortable room temperature to promote better sleep. 3. Establishing a pre-sleep routine. A consistent pre-sleep routine helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Consider incorporating these practices. 1. Relaxation techniques. Engage in activities like reading, gentle stretching, or meditation to relax your mind and body. 2. Limit screen time. Avoid electronic devices at least an hour before bed to reduce exposure to blue light, which can interfere with sleep. 4. Harnessing the sound of rain. If you're struggling to fall asleep even with the rain, you might need to enhance the experience. Here's how. 1. Rain sound machines. Use a rain sound machine or app to replicate the soothing sound of rain, especially if it's not raining outside. 2. White noise. Combine the rain sound with white noise to create a calming backdrop that helps you relax and fall asleep faster. 5. Practicing deep breathing and relaxation exercises. When lying in bed, use deep breathing and relaxation exercises to ease into sleep. 1. Deep breathing. Practice slow, deep breaths to calm your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then relax each muscle group to release physical tension and promote relaxation. 6. Avoiding sleep disruptors. Certain habits can disrupt your sleep even on a rainy night. To ensure a peaceful slumber. 1. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime, as these can interfere with sleep quality. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day, but limit fluids before bed to avoid nighttime awakenings. 7. Embracing the rain. A sleep-enhancing experience. Use the rain as an opportunity to enhance your sleep experience. 1. Mindfulness. Embrace the sound of the rain as a mindfulness exercise, allowing it to gently lull you to sleep. 2. Positive associations. Create positive associations with rainy nights by making them a special time for relaxation and self-care. 8. Final thoughts. Embracing the calming effect of rain can transform your sleep experience, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper, more restful slumber. By creating a relaxing environment and incorporating effective sleep strategies, you can turn every rainy night into an opportunity for peaceful rest. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on sleep, relaxation, and wellness. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you make the most of your sleep on rainy nights. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, sleep well and enjoy the peaceful rhythm of rain.